Good day everyone, I'm Homer G. Dumdameyer, demonstrator for today, and for today we are discussing the using of social media networking site in education. But before we truly proceed to our main topic, let me share to you a short video that are related to our topic for today. So let's start.
So in case you haven't noticed, work is a bit different these days. It's not just jobs changing, the whole culture is different. Everything from Ted, who's 24 and can't believe you'd actually want him to fill out the whole status report, to Jimbo, who's 35 and busy working anywhere but the office. And Sharon, age 50, who just might be the best juggler of all things, and most addicted one of the batch. These days, things are moving at the speed of a tweet, and people want access to company systems and data at all times. Basically, our work styles have become as unique as our people. Trouble is, everyone wants the technology around them to match their work style, and most of the time, things just haven't kept up. Making this change is easier said than done. No pressure, but it's your time to shine. IT has never been more important than it is now. Obviously, there's a big challenge in front of you here, but you have a chance to make the technology of your company as cool and agile as the people who use it. You know your people and how they work. You know their technology needs and wants. You have the knowledge and expertise it takes to completely change how your company works. So imagine for a minute what things could look like. New technology, it's how your team is already doing business. While others are haggling about where and when to work, Jimbo and Sharon are busy working anywhere at any time. And things are very secure. You're connected to your teams. You are the catalyst that leads the way in a new culture of work. Microsoft is here to help. Check it out today at Microsoft.com.
Alright, did you analyze that the video that I will share to you that's are related to our topic for today? Alright, so our topic for today is all about the using of social media in education. And before we truly proceed to our main topic, let me share to you our learning objectives. So at the end of the lesson, you should must be able to identify the social media site in education, introduce the Discord as a social media networking site in teaching and learning, show the pictures of Discord for teaching and learning, create an account in Discord as a social media networking site, and value the importance of social media in education. Social media is the one of the most useful site that we are using every day. So we can communicate each other, we can share our thoughts, our knowledge in this site. So the use of social media is under investigated, but because of COVID-19, the researchers was conducting or exploring best practices in teaching and learning to make the studies continuous. So I have here the 5 types of popular social media networking site in education. So here is the first 3 that's familiar on you, right? So we have here Facebook Messenger in YouTube. Facebook, when you say Facebook, this is also a useful social media networking site in education because this is a most prominent social media site in the world. So most of us are using this app. So as you can see in this picture, so the Facebook has a group page, right? So in this site of Facebook, we can share our knowledge here. We can change the privacy to private group so that others user can access your class. So another social media networking site is Messenger. We all know that Messenger is one of messaging app that enables private messaging function between 2 or more people. Just when this group chat, we will also have your privacy to have your class. And as you can see in the picture, so the professor was giving a link for their class to have a session for in that day, and also the student was giving a response to his professor. So Another thing, another social media networking site is YouTube. We all know that YouTube is also a sharing service that giving a educational video to us to have a knowledge. So as you can see in the picture right here, so you can see the ABC alphabet song and how to make a cocktails, and also on how to improve your teaching skills. Another types of popular social media right now is Instagram and Telegram. We all know that Instagram is when you can share your you can upload your pictures or any memorable picture. So we can also use this in education, just like when you have a informative or reminders regards to announcement in the school. So we can post it in this site. So other users are aware in this reminders. So last but not the least is Telegram. Yan, the world's fastest messaging app in free and secure. So this Telegram is one of the best use in education, because Telegram is giving you a new level of privacy. So we can also communicate to your prof or to your students when you're using this social media networking site. So we all know now the 5 popular social media sites that used for education, but now we are now proceed in our main topic, which is Discord, social media networking site. This is the social media networking site that has a instant messaging, like channels, 2 channels, just like video channel and text channel, that you can also message your students, and you can meet it via video call. So let us see the illustration here. So we have here that the teacher was giving a policies and rules to the students, and the teacher was giving a sessions in assignments, and they upload their materials, tools and materials in teaching and learning, and also the teacher the video call here. So we are now proceed to our features of Discord. So we have here a 2 chat in Discord. So we have text channels and voice channel. When we are using a text channel, we can organize it by using this. So we have here a information. This channel, you can upload your sessions PowerPoint, your modules for students. So students can access your files and PowerPoint presentation that used in session. And also in text channels, you can add your assignments or activities here. So you can also organize it by using that. And lastly, as you can see in the illustration, the professor was giving some reminders and policies in his class. So lastly is a voice channel. Voice channels have also a video channel. So you can use it when you have a session to your class. And as you can see in the picture here, so we have here a tactile study room that's you can gather all for your session. And we have here a groupings for you to have a privacy to your class. And last is second after class voice. So after that, yan, you can also, when we explore it, yan, we click also the study room, and you can see the visual that when you enter the Discord channel. Okay, so I have here. Let's now proceed to the steps in creating an account in Discord. So First, visit the Discord social media networking site. Second, click the login button. Third, select the register button. Fourth, fill out the details needed. After you fill it, you can click the study room server and click the skip this question button. And customize the server and click create. After that, you can now have an server. So that is the steps in creating an account in Discord. So we are now in this site of discord.com. The first step that you need is type the discord.com. So if you register the account, this is the first thing that you can see. So if you have to create a server to your class, you have to click this add server and click the study room. After that, you can skip this question for now and upload your picture and type your subject, just like Tech TL2, something like that. Prof. Homer. After that, you can create your own server. Alright, so in the first, you have a information just like what I said earlier. So you can put your informations, right, like policies and policies and rules to your class, and also the you can put your session PowerPoint or file. So you just have to click this upload file and upload your own files, just something like that. After that, in text channels, you have a you can also have your file for channels for assignments and activities when you giving a assignment to your class. So you so that the students can access your channels. And lastly is voice channel. We can also meet this when you have a session to your class, so you can. Alright, so it's something like that. Alright, yeah. So I am now starting voice in this channel. So you can now invite your students in this channel so that you can now start your session. So I have here. So first, I want to create a channel. So I have here a session calls, a session class. Alright, so create a channel. So make it a. Alright, so we have here a session class. So confirm, click confirm, and you are now connected. We are now connected, so you can invite your class in this while using this link. Alright, so copy the link and send it to your class. Alright, so we are now proceeding to importance of social media networking site in education. So the importance between of this is we can now create our own account, and we can communicate with each other even though we can see each other in face to face. Also, we can easily do our works and activities to your class because we have here asynchronous and asynchronous communication. So, and lastly, even though we have a pandemic or any climate that we have, so we can continue the study. Alright, so lastly is the summary. To summarize the lessons, social media is a social media networking site is a site that we can communicate with each other. We can share our thoughts and knowledge even though we can meet each other. Also, The 5 popular social media site is Facebook, Messenger, YouTube, Instagram, and also a Telegram. And Discord is also a social media networking site that we can discover it, and we can use it when we are educator someday. There are a lot of features that you can discover in Discord, and but from now I can introduce only the text and voice channels. So lastly, to our main class, so I have here a short quotation. I am saying the quotation says that no matter how far, no matter how long, just trust the process and enjoy the flow. And that's all for today, class. Thank you very much to a warm welcome, and also to know or to have you with you in this webinar. So take care, everyone.